Alright, so here's another example, but it's using a trig function this time. So I want to say that h prime of x is equal to, and then I'm going to go ahead and start doing the derivative, but remember the notation, so this is actually equal to 3 times the quantity cotangent of pi x plus 4, that whole thing squared. So what I need to do is it's 2 times 3, and then this is the cotangent of pi x plus 4, and this is really to the first power now, which we don't need to write in on this. So then I actually have two babies in here, so I've got my baby of the cotangent, and then I've got my baby of the pi x plus 4. So I'm going to do my bigger baby first. So the derivative of the cotangent is negative cosecant squared of my pi x plus 4. And then I need to multiply this by, again, my other little baby. So multiplying by this red piece, which is just pi. So I'm just going to rewrite it one more time just to make it look a little clearer. And so this is h prime of x is equal to 6 pi times the cotangent of my pi x plus 4 times the negative cosecant squared of my pi x plus 4. Okay, so that's how I would leave it. I wouldn't bother making anything more simple if you didn't need to. It's perfectly fine the way it is right now.